What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're gonna be going over the 1985 Ferrari Koenig KitCar. I know all you guys have been waiting for this one. We're just gonna do a quick update. I'm gonna let you know where I'm at as far as painting this car, reassembling it. So stay tuned, check it out.
If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Ha! Dare to be you. This world is just a canvas to our imagination. Turn a figment of your mind into creation.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do a walk around on the 1985 Pontiac Fiero Ferrari KitCar. I know it's been a hot minute, but that's life. I don't work on my cars full time yet here in the Mad Lab. I hope that my YouTube channel blows up soon in the future so that I can start making a decent income from it, because there's nothing more that I would love to do than to wake up in the morning, come into the Mad Lab and get creative. So if you guys can, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with all your friends, and the more people that support me and start watching my content, that might become a reality to where I can wake up in the morning and start building the most unique cars and making content for you guys. So with all that being said, let's do a little walk around here and I'll show you where I'm at and what I gotta do to get this thing done. So if you're new to the channel, this is a Pontiac Fiero, guys. It's got a KitCar replica fiberglass body mounted to it. I found this car out in the weeds, in the mud, and I bought it out in BC, Canada, shipped it all the way across to Ontario, where it is now in the Mad Lab, and we are getting this thing ready for paint. This was a show car back in the 1990s. It was all custom built. It was already painted twice. It was showcased in KitCar magazine. I'm still trying to track down that magazine. But yes, it's a Pontiac Fiero with a Ferrari Koenig body on it. It's wide body, obviously, because that's what the Koenigs had. It's got all the scoops with no louvers. The Testarossas had the louvers, but the Koenigs did not have the louvers. They also have the bigger lower lip than the Testarossas, and the air intake was only on the one side. I love the Koenigs. If you guys haven't, go to Google, type in Koenig Specials Ferrari Testarossa, and you'll get an idea of what this car is gonna look like when it's done. Oh, I just had to replace the battery in the camera. That died on me pretty quickly. So where was I here? Yeah, go Google it if you don't know what the Koenig Special looks like, and give you an idea of what this car looks like. Because I know a lot of you guys are commenting below saying, oh, that doesn't look anything like a Ferrari Testarossa. That's because the Ferrari Testarossa has a lot of different cues on the car compared to the Koenig. Koenig did an aftermarket version of the Testarossa where they made it wide body, they made it twin turbo. They basically took the Testarossa and made it badass. So go check it out and see what I'm trying to replicate. Let's check out some more features on this car. I've gone ahead and done all the body work. There was a bunch of cracks, fiberglass delaminating all around the car, so I went ahead and tidied all that stuff up. I've been adding body lines around the car to make it look just a little bit more detailed. I got all the headlight covers off right now. The front end is propped up roughly. But yeah, as you can see, all the body work is taking place. There's a bunch of cracks everywhere before. I'm gonna start working on some more of the door gaps and whatnot. This thing is getting ready for primer, guys. This weekend, I'm gonna be laying down a fresh coat of urethane primer on it. That way I can block it all down. As you can see here, we're gonna be lining up some more stuff on the engine trunk lid area. But yeah, we're gonna be primering this car this weekend. After we primer it, it's gonna be a gray primer. We're gonna block the whole car down, get it nice and straight, and then we're gonna be getting it ready for paint. So I already have an idea of what I wanna do for the paint, which is Viper Red. I frickin' love Viper Red. Especially on this car here, I think it would look really, really good. I might do a single stage, or I think we're gonna do a single stage just because this is a fiberglass car and it is gonna flex. Also, we're gonna be painting it inside here, not inside of a paint booth. So with a single stage, it'll make life a lot easier than having a base clear. So comment below if you guys think I should do a different color. I also have purple in mind, as well as like a citrus, kind of Lamborghini, lime green, yellow kind of color in mind as well. Black is kind of out of the question. It would look good, yes, but it just hides all the details of the car. So I'm feeling Viper Red, just because if I decide to sell the car, it's gonna be an easy resale red, obviously. But if I were keeping this car, I would definitely be doing a purple or a crazy custom splatter paint scheme like I do on the channel. That's still not entirely out of the options, guys. If you want to see me paint this car like a purple or a bright color and do my custom splatter graphics all the way down the side and just go crazy and get creative and custom with the car, comment below. If you guys leave enough comments and tell me, go crazy with it, Mike, get creative, we want to see what you do best, which is getting creative, then I will do it. But if I don't get enough comments down below, we're just going to be painting the car red and probably selling it. I would love to keep it, but you know, if I sell it, I can acquire a bigger shop. That's kind of my thoughts. I don't know. Comment below. So once the car has been entirely painted, we're going to be going around and painting all the wheel wells black. It's got Bilstein shocks in here right now. We got some new wheel adapters on here. So the rims are all custom painted and done. As you can see here, I got some other videos where I kind of polished these rims up and painted the centers on them. The interior needs to be all put back in. Right now we got the red buckets, steering wheel, the door panels, center console, and everything's already been wrapped with black leather. So we just got to reassemble everything. Everything's just kind of sitting in here loose right now. And yeah, once the car's painted, we'll finish off, tidy up the interior. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. Car's getting ready for primer this week. Comment below what color you guys want to see me do it. Oh, we got the chassis mount wing to remount. It looks freaking awesome. It's a massive carbon fiber chassis mount wing, as well as I built a lower diffuser. I got a couple of videos, I believe. Yeah, I do have some vlogs of me building the rear diffuser. So if you haven't yet, go back to my channel and check out me building this custom rear diffuser, as well as I have videos of me building my custom chassis mount wing. So go check those out. I think that's enough of an update on the Koenig Ferrari Testarossa KitCar. Sorry it's been taking me so long to get this car painted and finished up. I've just got a million things on the go, a million other projects, as well as life. But like I said before, eventually I want to be doing this as a career. I want to make my YouTube channel my full-time income. So spread the word, guys. I want to build the coolest custom cars out there and get super creative and just have fun with it, inspire imagination. So if you do like this kind of content and you want to see me putting out more content and doing crazier builds, share my channel, like this video, leave a ton of comments. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later. Ciao, ciao. Woo!